We're out here with Steve Scripter.
So now we need to go down to the...
Hunting for some Rio Grande
right?
turkeys.
Yeah. How do we do it?
He's got a monster in his sight. I think today's the day. Getting a windage rating. Yep. It's flat calm, but he's checking anyway. Got a drink of beer. Gluck, gluck, gluck. He flatulates. Seems to be confused by which end to hold the bow by. And he's got the draw.
Alright, so green. Ooh.
He was so far off the turkey didn't even know.
It's still going.
Turkey didn't even know he shot at him. He must have missed him by 10 feet.
You see it? No.
He's still there. Try again. Gonna get a little help from the master.
Still going?
He flatulates again.
Oh, it's still, you see it? You got a rabbit. Your arrow. Kill a rabbit is behind it. Oh, really?
Is this turkey already dead?
Oh, if I can see one. You should take it over here and look at his face. Was that high earlier? It was high.
Just a bit.
To the left.
Pretty much right over the top. Oh, he just missed.